How to use CRM Timeline on Bitrix24. In this video, I'll show you how to use CRM Timeline on Bitrix24. So to get started, go ahead and open Bitrix24 into your browser and then sign into your account and then head over to CRM. So go ahead and head over to CRM and then head over into the Deals tab. So once you're on this section, you'll be able to find the progress that you have for your deals. So in here, go ahead and simply click on a deal where you want to set or change the current progress of that specific deal. So go ahead and open that deal by clicking on it. And then above this, you'll be able to find the timeline progress of this specific deal. So you can set this to a different timeline by clicking on that specific stage where this deal is currently in. And then once you close this and head back into your deals tab, you'll be able to find this specific deal move into that specific progress where it's currently in. And that is how you can basically use CRM Timeline on Bitrix24. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.